If you're a business owner in 2026, you are missing out on this amazing trick. Marketing is changed because now you can promote your business through WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a game changer for businesses because every customer may not check your promotional emails but will definitely check the promotional WhatsApp messages. And in this video, I will share you this amazing WhatsApp trick that is going to help you to send bulk WhatsApp messages without getting your WhatsApp number banned from Meta's end. So now, without wasting any time, let's dive into this video where I will share you that how promotional messages just like this can be forwarded to thousands of customers and you can market your business on WhatsApp and you don't even have to hire an agency. So let's move on with this video. So I manage the WhatsApp conversations in my business using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to access Pabbly Chatflow at a new tab, search for www.pabbly.com/chatflow. You will come to their landing page just like this. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, you want to test this trick from your end. Up to 100 numbers, you can send the bulk WhatsApp messages. If you will sign up for free from here, you will receive 100 free credits. So that means up to 100 numbers, you can send the free bulk messages to test how Pabbly Chatflow is actually going to work. Now, if you like using Pabbly Chatflow after testing out how this feature actually works, you can purchase their yearly or one-time deals to get access to more of the credits, and then you can send the messages to more phone numbers. Now, if you're planning to do so, you can purchase their one-time plans or yearly plans, and you can get additional discounts on top of existing ones, the most highest discount possible. My code is going to give you that. My code is helping you to get additional and most amazing discounts. The code is on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section as well. Now, I've already logged into my Pabbly Chatflow account. To send the bulk messages using Pabbly Chatflow, you have to create a message template first. So I have created this template in the name of end of season sale, with the help of which I can send the messages to all my customers. Now, if you want to learn how you can create amazing template just like this and design a template just like big brands does, you can check out the video in the description section below. I've added the video that will help you to create the amazing template. In the template, I've added the image header, and this is my end of season sale text right here. Now, after creating the template, go back. Now, let's set this template to thousands of customers. How is that possible? With the help of the feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. But first of all, if you want to learn how you can create the entire setup of Pabbly Chatflow, what are the features and how all the features works, check out all the video links added in the description section below. Create your own WhatsApp setup and then come back to this video. Now, broadcast is going to help you to send bulk messages. So let's create a broadcast together. For that, add the broadcast from here. Select the broadcast type. I will select it as broadcast campaign. Now we have to name the broadcast. For the name of the broadcast, I'll write over here as end of season sale 2026. Okay, so let me do that. Now you can enter the name of the broadcast accordingly. Next, you have to select the contact list. Now, if you have contacts created in Pabbly Chatflow, you want to segment the contacts accordingly due to different conditions, you can create contact list for that. Now, these are the lists I've created in my account. If you want, you can select all contact list, or else you can select a specific ones to whom you want to send the messages to. I want to send the messages to two different types of contact list, the daily updates list as well as the leads list. Okay, so I've selected the list right over here. Now, if you want to exclude any of the contacts, you can do that from this section. If you want to exclude a specific contact, you can do that from this section, and the excluded ones will receive the broadcast message. Okay, now after that, next it is asking for us to select the message type. Now, either you can select the pre-approved template that we have created before, or else you can enter the regular message as well and enter a regular message accordingly. But I will select the template that I've created. So I have created a template over here, name of end of season sale. So I'll select this template over here, and then I've told you that I've entered the header as an image, so I can upload the header image right here. So I have this image created of end of season sale and insert it. You can see this is the message. I'm going to click on the done button and you will see the preview viral message just like this. Now, as I am sending this message to thousands of customers, before actually sending the message, you can test how the message is going to look like on your phone. For that, simply add your name right over here, and after adding your name, add your phone number and click on this send test button, and the test broadcast message is going to be forwarded. If you will open your WhatsApp, you will see I have received this another message right here. This is the end of season sale image. With that, this is the text. So this is how the message going to look like on all your customers' mobile phone as well. Okay, so now after testing this amazing broadcast, next, if you want to schedule this broadcast for later, you can schedule this broadcast from this section. And if you want to instantly send this broadcast to all your thousands of contacts, you can send it instantly as well. I will schedule this broadcast for later, and I'm going to send this message on 12th of August 2026 at 4 p.m. This message should be forwarded, and I will add the broadcast from here. And you will see the broadcast has been added. And on the date and time that you've selected, a message just like this to all the thousands of customers that you've added in the broadcast, they all are going to receive this message on the date and time that you've selected. So this is how you are going to send WhatsApp messages to thousands of customers, market your business on WhatsApp, send promotional messages on WhatsApp, attract new and more customers in your business, and then you can grow your business using this trick. So go ahead, use this trick that I have just discussed in this video. So if you have any questions or doubts related to the setup that we have discussed, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.